Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. So we've been given this inequation over here: 3x plus 5 upon 2, 3x upon 5 plus 2 is less than x plus 4 is less than or equal to x upon 2 plus 5, and x belongs to real numbers. This question was asked way back in the was asked in the ICSE 2020 examination. Okay? Now, whenever we've been given a question like this, you can see we need to divide the solving into two parts. The first part will be this, where I consider 3x upon 5 plus 2 less than x plus 4. That will be the first part, right? This much here. And the second part of the second part here would be from this here, x plus 4 to this. So I could say second part will be x plus 4 less than or equal to x upon 2 plus 5. So the idea should be to solve these two inequations separately and then combine the answer that we get, right? So let's start with the first part. We have 3x plus 5 upon 2 less than x plus 4. So first thing that we'd like to do is probably take the LCM here and make sure that the entire left hand side has the same denominator. So this becomes 3x plus 10, 5 into 2 is 10, upon 5 less than x plus 4, right? Now we can take the 5 from one side to the other. As division here becomes multiplication there. So this becomes 3x plus 10 is less than 5x plus 20. Remember, this 5 gets multiplied by both these terms, right? Now let's rearrange. Let's take the 3x on the other side and the plus 20 over here, right? So when I rearrange, I will get 10 minus 20, it's plus 20 here, becomes minus 20 here, and I have 5x, which plus 3x on the other side becomes minus 3x, right? So solving this further, 10 minus 20 gives me minus 10, which is less than 5x minus 3x, which is 2x, right? 2 over here, multiplication, take it to the other side, becomes division. So I'll get minus 10 upon 2, which is minus 5 less than x. So this here is the, well, you can say it's a solution for the first part. Let's try solving the second part now. So I have x plus 4 is less than or equal to x upon 2 plus 5. Again, the first step would be to take the LCM here to make sure the entire right hand side is under one denominator. So I have x plus 4 less than or equal to 2 into 5 is 10. So x plus 10 x plus 10 divided by 2. Now take the 2 from this side to the other. Multiplication becomes, well, division. Sorry, or rather division becomes multiplication. So I get on my right hand side 2x plus 8 is less than or equal to x plus 10, right? Now let's rearrange the terms once again. The plus x here, take it to the other side, becomes minus x. The plus 8 taken to the other side becomes minus 8. So I can write this here as 2x minus x is less than or equal to 10 minus 8. Right, so 2x minus x becomes x, and 10 minus 8 is 2. So now you can see I have minus 5 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 2. And we know that x belongs to real numbers. So that will be part. Now that's how we can write our solution. Right? So if I am to write my solution now, I'll say the solution will be equal to x such that minus 5 less than x is less than or equal to 2, and x belongs to real numbers. That's the combination of these two terms, that these two values that we just got. Now we need to also plot our solution on the number line. For that purpose, let's just first draw our number line. Here it is, drawn our number line. So let's just move it a bit to the top so it's more clear, right? Now remember, we are plotting, we are marking real numbers, and our solution goes all the way from minus 5 to 2. So now x is greater than minus 5. So greater than minus 5, remember there's no equal to sign, so at minus 5 I'll put a open circle, and less than or equal to 2. So less than or equal to, so at 2 I'll have a filled in circle or a dark circle, and we have to go all the way from -5 till 2 because it's real numbers, so all values in between will be included. So this here is a representation of our answer on the number line from -5 to 2 with 2 included, right? So let's just mark our final answer in a rectangle like we usually always do. There you go.